Hello. I have a mixed haul. I went down to the beach. My film of the beach house didn't make it. I don't know what happened. But I have a mixed haul. Has some stuff I've been working on and a project just got. So we went to several thrifts down there. Some of the stuff I left down there, I don't remember what it was. Oh, a VCR, a boom box, a VHS tape rewinder. All important electronic items. I got this Starbucks cup at the Goodwill for 99 cents. I think it was pretty good. It's a nice shape. It's just, you know, a big white cup. Kind of nice. That was in Aberdeen. Then I got this. Where did I get this? Oh, I got this at Thrift City. I'm going to clean her up and put her with my doll. So my doll can have a doll. I know the guy who designed this, so I want to show him. This is Diva Stars. This is the... Oh, I guess she sings. You have to put batteries in there, I guess. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to clean her up. But the other ones had changing eyes and something else. So it's just, you know, that's from back in the day. Is it dated? I don't see a date on here or any mark. I don't even see a mark on this thing, but I know that's what she is.
That's a knockoff.
Maybe, wait, there's something there? Oh, it's written there. It's really hard to see.
Okay.
All right, never mind. It's not that big a deal. And I got these at the Senior Thrift in Shores. I've had this before. This is pins by Jerry. Jerry? Jerry. See, it's marked back there. And then this is just a little, you know, Santa. See, I don't know what he charged us for this. Not a lot. And I got this from him too. I got a Panda speaker. I'm going to see if this works. It's just a transformer power cord. And oh, I got this at the Goodwill. It's a naked doll. But she's really nice. Look at her hair. And she has this curvy body. She's neat. This is one of those fashionistas, I think. Her hair isn't even gross.
It isn't?
No. It's not. You know, usually it's like a big, well, like this. Look at her hair. Gosh, girl. So this one's pretty good. So, I don't know. I think he charged me $1.99 or something. And then I got this at, where did I get this? Oh, Flea Market Finds.
Oh,
I like it. It's got a, I don't know if you can see, it's got a cute pig. Gents and ladies. And then, ooh, 4 ounces. That would be for
ladies.
For ladies, yeah. And lightweight gents, 1 ounce. Piggy. It's a piggy shot glass, but I thought it was cute. Right. And then I got this at
that's cool.
The senior. Yeah, seniors.
Yeah,
thrift?
senior
yeah,
thrift.
The senior thrift in Shores. It was $3. It's a. I don't
know. It's just a.
It's
thing.
Is it marked? I can't tell. It's. I think somebody made it in ceramics. I'm not sure, but it's really nicely done. You know?
Yeah, it's cool.
Yeah, it's pretty nice. Yeah, it's nice. So $3 on that, and then I got these quilts at Flea Market Finds. This one was 10. This one's really nice. Let's see, it's bluish grays. I think it's really pretty.
What's the interior?
Just this fabric. This one's machine stitched. It's a combination of machine and hand. Good Lord. See, that's all hand stitched. There. Machine stitched here. Yipes. So I'm going to wash that one up. This one was 10. This one I got from, this one was only 5. My friend is looking for some of these. And this one has just this on the back. This one looks like it's all hand stitched. Yes. Yes, it has that pattern on the back. That's really pretty. And all these vintage fabrics. Yep, this is all hand stitched. So that was a cool one. $5 on that one. And then I found this fabric at Goodwill. This is the wrong side, but I like the wrong side better than the
Yeah.
right side. This is only $1.99. I'm trying to replenish my fabric supply.
I like both those sides.
Yeah, I like both the sides, but yeah, they're both nice. So I'm just going to put this in my fabric stash. Because I've used up all my
Hoard.
bark cloth. It's not a hoard, it's a stash. There's a difference. Oh, and I got this. Very
Oh,
nice.
he's cool.
I fixed his hat. It was jacked up. This is one of those. It's from 2005. Yeah, 2005. Kids of America. I think they used to sell these at Kmart. Because I had one with a Santa hat. That Mr. Retros was dreaming and thinking it was a
St.
a
Patrick.
St. Patrick's Day pig. Snorting out Danny Boy or some such little ditty. He wishes.
The Highland pigs are calling.
Yeah, the Highland pigs are calling. But no, it's
It's
Christmas. Look at him though. Two beavers.
He doesn't walk very well.
No, he doesn't. That last one was Mr. Retros helping him out. And then I was going to show you, I got a new, Mr. Retros made me this table. I love it. Look at that.
Plywood stand.
Plywood stand. This is my old printer, 3D printer. See all these striations? I could not get detail. I had a heck of a time getting edges half the time. And so there was a lot of finish work involved. And then the finished product was not really very satisfactory.
No.
You know, it just wasn't. But it was amazing for what it was. So I got a resin printer from Santa. There's a creature. Creature. And they print on the plate like this, going down.
That's
And it's
weird.
photo curing. That's a shoe. And look at the detail. This is my Frankenstein. I make those little chenille people out of these. And this is my Krampus. I just paint this and I'm good to go. Krampus is highly detailed.
Looks good.
And this is some little glasses. I'm liking the
Gold
glasses with the...
glasses.
I'm doing some that have these connected. The way I was doing them before, I had to put little metal things through. But check out the detail. Let's see, I have another one. Look at that. It's amazing. It's just, I'm working on scaling this shoe to fit the dolls I want. This shoe fits nobody. But it did, I ripped that off when I cut the things off, the supports off. But that's pretty amazing. In this one, I'm scaling this shoe. That's not hers. For a bigger doll. There's a platform. Almost perfected. This one's pretty good. See? It goes right on there. And they put a last on here. Maybe some ribbons or something. There. That'll be good. This doll's huge. Huge. And then, here's the wigs. See? Mr. Retros just spray paints them and seals them for me. And here's another one. A barbie-sized one.
That's cool.
Yeah.
Black one.
Sorry, she's naked. She didn't have time to get dressed. But they come
It's
out.
a fashion emergency.
Yeah, they come out so nice. It's just hardly any finish work.
No sanding,
at
much.
all.
at
Not
all.
much. A little
Nothing hardly.
kind of a little here, maybe
Yeah.
a teeny bit, but they're good. So that's what I've been working on a lot, but it's really cool. And then I'm going to show you this thing that I ordered. This is called Bartesian or Bartesian. I don't know. I think it's Bartesian. This is a machine I got from JCPenney's. They sell for $3.50 on Amazon. I got it at JCPenney's for $100 something. But these, it's like a Keurig for cocktails. You take this thing here, and you put it in this machine, and this one's Cosmo. This is the, yeah, this is the combo pack. It's got Long Island iced tea, an old fashioned, whiskey sour, Uptown Rocks. I don't know what that is. I don't even know what goes in that. I'll have
That
to.
Keurig does.
Yeah, that Keurig thing does. So that's those, and I'll show you. It's over here, opened up. I finally got it. Here's the box. It comes with these 5 of these things. Let me get
Yeah,
behind you.
it's a big thing.
It is a big thing.
Bigger than I thought. It's like a Keurig, see?
Yeah, it's like a Keurig. And then these are, it's got these little, these things. You put different liquors in them, and they're marked on the sides. And this machine knows, I guess you just, I haven't tried it yet, but I have these other pods. This is an old fashioned.
Can you open this thing?
I think so, yeah. You can stick them in there.
Huh.
Yeah, stick it in there, and then it's got a,
Reservoir.
oh, that's where you put, that's probably where it dumps it? I don't know. See, I haven't tried it. I just got it today. So we shall be testing this out. See, and it's got a little mat there. So I thought it was cool. And here, oh, here's the plug-in thingy for it. So,
This is all
it's fancy.
And what's this now? Oh, that's old-fashioned
Old
ones?
Fashions and Cosmo.
That's what you ordered, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
There's a martini one too. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. So that's it. So I'll see you later. Cheers.